Come on, big up the people there. Tell them welcome to Vlogmas 2020. It's Vlogmas 20. I always do this. I'm tired. The people was gonna say she always makes her shit tired looking. Guys, welcome to Vlogmas 20. Guys, remember not in them can. You know, see my mouth. They can. They stick up my mouth now. Oh, so guys, we're at Vlogmas 20. So we're just going to do a quick little intro without the mall. We're going to mall up in today. Amanda's going shopping. I'm just going to follow her. Husband to be. Look. See? Husband to be. Please look, please. Thank you. Yeah. This is you. That one, the middle one. That one. The round one? Yeah. But I probably do that, yes. That's kind of you. But that doesn't really mean me. Are they that one? That one over there. The middle one? The one in the middle? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yes. So guys, we come to pick up my rest of my ring, and then we go to Burlington. We can't tell them sis for the Bay people then. So we are going to buy out everything so them can go after. The Bay is closing. Hi there. I'm here to see Sam.
Oh, does he know you're coming?
Yes, I told him I was coming.
Okay.
He's in the office?
Well, he'll come out.
Oh, okay. It's Yolanda. Yeah. Yes, guys. So, hey, Sam. I was close by. So what, you don't text me anymore if I don't text you? She's getting married soon, so I brought her. Does that mean a discount? It's in the brewing. You know, like when you wine. No.
Hey, she's a good friend. She's doing her best.
It's brewing. It's like a process, like wine. Yeah. So. Yeah. Yes, guys. We're manifesting it for 2025. Yeah, true.
So you're just putting it on your vision board?
Yes, that too. But it's in brewing though. She just doesn't know.
I just don't know.
I'm gonna show them Sam. So guys, this is Sam.
Hi.
He's the guy behind the
Hi.
yeah. So if you're in Lime Ridge Mall, tell them where to come, Sam. This is YouTube.
Oh,
Tell them where to come.
thank you.
Yes.
You are the best.
Of course.
Yeah.
I'm working for more discount. What is it? What's the name of the store? H&W?
Howard Jeweler.
Our jeweler in Lime Ridge Mall, guys. So if you come here, come and see Sam. Give him my name so he can the discount can accumulate. Okay?
Oh,
yeah.
Thank you. Let me see.
How is that small? I've never seen
I'm
anything
extra like that. Sam don't even want to let it go. Really?
This, what is this? Small?
You need a disco ball or what?
All right, thank you. And she's coming back too.
Okay, I'll give her price because of you.
Yeah, she's my cousin.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
All right, so Merry Christmas. Take care.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Hi.
What is her color?
And be so heavy, guys.
Where's the sandwich? Heavy.
So heavy.
Oh my God.
God.
Okay.
Nice. So this
Okay.
one will be my everyday.
Which one is the everyday?
Let me just go wear this to work. You know, feel so just one.
Just the one?
Yeah. You think so?
All right.
You don't think so?
What about this with, oh no, it's a
Yeah, because it's, yeah.
Oh. I would wear this one every day, the middle
And
one.
leave the little ones.
And then you just put the little ones together when. Watch him.
Guys, that's an extra one. No, mind.
Want me to see you? Yeah. No, we what? Mm-hmm.
Guys, Amanda take me to my house today, no? I'm minded.
You tell them we're gonna try Chick-fil-A?
Yeah. We're gonna try so where are we going first?
The Hudson Bay.
And then Chick-fil-A?
Mm-hmm. Excuse.
It's coming.
Burger King here? Yeah, them set up down there. True. But it slowly make its way because I still like Chick-fil-A, that kitchen
Back
up.
in the days, this mall was so fun shopping. No, there's no stores here.
Because them closed down all of the fun stores.
Yeah. There's no good, you know, other than the bay.
You see the same Burlington Center when we go? The
Yeah.
mall look nice in there.
It is nice.
I'm
but
not talking
a
Maple View,
variety.
you know.
Burlington?
No, I'm talking nice, like how them set it up with the kids. Them like if you go with their kids and stuff.
Yeah.
I like that.
But they need more.
Them need more stores though.
We need a big mall.
You know, start up.
Guys.
I say God go sing you. God go sing.
We're running, so we're parking.
She parking the handicap, guys. Watch her. I don't know which photo you look like handicap. Oh my God! And that's no offense to anybody.
I know, yes, guys.
Do not
please.
take it offensive, guys.
Please tell them. Turn on the front camera.
Yeah. Look at how much for it.
That's really nice.
72 and then you get 60%
Does it have a
off.
Does it have a hoodie?
Yeah. Well, the one you have to order.
Would she like that?
Money forget her some with.
Wouldn't that be like a large? No. Oh, you were gonna let her. Yeah, she's gonna wear it to school. I thought you wanted for her to wear out, like.
No, it's the one we shall have it. We shall wear now. Not have no hood, and Kalina wearing a hat, and winter coming.
This one is too small too.
24. How much with the 60% off?
That's nice too.
When I look small, you know, I feel like they may look like a hot girl or something.
I think this more is like if she's going to
out.
Yeah.
That is what I'm saying.
Look at the fur one, them.
Yeah.
Over there, some fur one. This nice, see?
Nice, so.
But them one didn't have much sale me there, 120.
And then
So that's a $50.
$60, I mean.
You see, on Saturday you will see better sale. So why these ones so price still so high? 120. You see, because guess what? These new. The style look like them just come in. Oh, the long.
Like, I don't want it too long, but you want when you have it on, you catch it. Like what this catch me in.
Yeah. Maybe I forgot get like a small. This is nice because it's smaller. Kids. And it's cheap, I know. This is nice. If you could find the size in this in a large or extra large.
Yeah, and then 60% off of that. You
need 14. Because that's a bit long. These are really cute, eh?
This one has 7.
It's a promise size.
They are then all over. More ears.
Yeah. Really nice. And sometimes they bring them all over. That's a nice little evening and
$70
$55%. This like a film of Bigfoot, right?
You see how it look when it foot tiny and when it just broad out.
What size is 10? I said this is like my Bigfoot.
A nice even out. Also, if you go to the cave on Sunday, what's the
You going where, sis?
The cave.
Why?
To the cave
She going. She going. Guys, you hear that? She going to the Keg Steak House. Girl, not cooking no Sunday dinner.
No. No, it's Christmas.
Living in your ear, yeah, my sister. And them did that when you're busting bum.
Right?
So now if you want to eat.
Now I'm going to eat lobster for dinner. Right? As your cousin would have said.
Yeah.
Now I'm eating lobster for dinner.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's cute. What's that, 10?
This one was size 10. Cute. Where do I wear
With the right jeans or...
I wear jeans.
Yeah. Or you know those jeggings fans? Similar like what you have on too? Like a similar... Yeah.
Which, the
But you're not,
heels?
you're not 10, aren't you? 9? And it, like somebody
but
put
I wear
the...
10. Because through the thick socks or the whatever.
We are going to take socks in this. Guys, forget my language grammar. You don't need thick socks in that.
Really? You don't think?
Try it on and see.
We try it on.
This look like a 9. Oh, this is... So why the one that looks so stretched out? This is a 10 too, but it look...
Which one looks stretched out?
That one.
This?
Is this a 10? Yeah. Is it? Doesn't...
What do you mean by it looks stretched out?
It don't look bigger? No? Try on the 10. I said, guys, you see a man that go like he foot small? Eh? Any day and get can. This a 9. This a 9.
What? Ipa pasa pasa.
Try it on.
This a 9?
I know that is it?
No, it's a 6.
Oh, 6.
No.
Are you gonna try it on standing?
Yeah.
I would have gotten muscle contraction.
That is 40.
Let me come around. It looks so cute.
You're cute.
Come around.
You look like pussy boots?
What do you mean?
With the all, where I say the all around it.
No.
You know,
Cause you're clean, so you're gonna wear thicker socks anyways.
yeah, but I'm not gonna make the socks show.
Yeah, cause that I go push in and then the socks underneath your pants are gonna puff you up. You get me I say?
Yeah. How much for this?
But it's
It's
really
done the
nice.
money. I mean.
How much for it?
$100.
So $50. Then TV they could have given better. You
Price.
sure 100?
What that is it?
70 sis.
Oh, never see this. So they make it for 35?
30, yeah.
I forgot what it's on my hand, little guys.
Just in case.
Just in case.
Let's make sure we are watching. These are big sizes.
Alright, let us go to our size.
Because this can't be.
That's a dress?
Oh, these are too expensive.
I don't know if she told you guys we have
What happened?
I don't know if she told you, but we're in Otsabe. Yes. They have a closed down sale. Can you tell them?
I don't remember. You know, sometimes when you talk to Kim, you remember what you did say and what you never say. Yeah. But guys, she buy out all of the stuff them Saturday because we're not still nothing here today.
No, you have to search, you have to dig. You know that.
The one in Burlington, guys. So if you guys, looking for Christmas gifts,
Yes.
and I feel like Saturday they're gonna have a better.
What keep Saturday? What is
Just know that on Saturdays they normally give better.
deals?
Yeah, because remember the time when you come, you said it was 70%.
Which day was that? That wasn't a Saturday. That was
Yes, you
in
were
the
going.
week. What?
No, you were going out the Saturday to the party. And you the Friday. Oh no, it
In
was
the
a
week.
Tuesday. Yeah.
In the week, me
True,
there,
true.
man.
Some I know.
Them still there for 70%. Enough to see
Like
that?
dresses
You have
and
80% off.
Yeah, and I find like guys dresses if you have events, Christmas dinner, Christmas parties, them have a lot of dress.
Them have lots. You can buy for next year summer,
Yeah.
some summer dress.
So now come down, man.
Alright. What will I look for now?
Yeah, look for like a jeggings or
Running top?
yeah.
And I want to put it up like that. I forgot. What would we
Guys,
same of this year?
that's cute.
Yeah. That cute.
Lounge.
That is cute.
Nice like a lounge wear. A $5. 51.
I need it 75% off. Massive sale, guys. I'm telling you.
Come on down.
We can see if we see a boots with down the side
Okay.
instead of that one, yeah.
Guys, goodie shop it on. Goodies. Guys, I good at two something that I add for me, yeah? Goodie shop, man.
Three.
Yeah, I should add one more. Goodie shop, too. Should drop.
Was there any of them have a trolley in here?
Eh? Can you imagine? Problems. Then couldn't have. Why this gonna be 75% after?
So how much for it door?
They not have no price money. No see no price. No price. Oh, 160 for the one day, mama. I will stick to my winners. Okay, for sale. See, some of them sale don't make sense, you know. Here.
What?
Put your shoes first.
The shoes? I'm gonna need no takeaway.
Them they can't hold.
Them old door. Wow.
Something I drag, take up your clothes, you know.
Look at that.
God send me an angel from the heavens above.
Does you like these? $30, $31.
From how much?
From
But you wear
$100.
sharing and fling you guys by the time she's ready to put your hand, your bed's up.
31 from $100.
Yeah. Guys, look on them one here.
You know where that's?
Crazy. Never.
What is this? The step out in this now?
I'm telling you. You know, this is a winter boot.
Really?
You don't like this, eh? I love this. How much is this?
210.
One.
Right.
Is it 55% off? Like,
Sorrel?
like if I could have wear this, I know wear winter boots, period.
You don't wear that?
What I know my says 8. Let me see if they have 10. 8. Come on, no 10. Where is 10?
41?
Rude, you're rude. I'm a 40.
No, 49.
Sweats on, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say